Hello friends, my name is Puranjay Kumar Gaurav. Today I will discuss about the objective question related to automobile engineering. Earlier I have discussed 17 question. Today I will discuss from 18 question. So let's start automobile engineering objective question. The question number 18 is the purpose of a cylinder head gasket is to. Here the option is given that prevent the combustion gases from leaking from the joint between the cylinder block and the cylinder head. Option B, prevent engine oil from going into combustion chamber. Option C, removes impurities from cylinder head lubricating oil. Option D, none of the above. Basically, the gasket is used between the cylinder block and the cylinder head. Then its main work is to prevent the combustion gases from leaking from the joint between the cylinder block and the cylinder head. So option A is correct. Here basically leaking, leaking, leaking from the joint between the cylinder block and the cylinder head. The main purpose of the uh, gasket is to prevent the combustion gases from leaking from the joint between the cylinder block and the cylinder head. Now the next question. Question number 19. The basic part of the engine to which the other engine parts are attached or assembled is the basic part of the engine is cylinder block to which the other engine parts are attached or assembled. So that the correct option is cylinder block. Cylinder block is the main part to which the other engine parts are attached or assembled. Next question is the material used for cylinder blocks are cast iron and steel, cast iron and aluminum alloy, steel and aluminum alloy, brass and steel. For cylinder block, cast iron and aluminum alloy are used, so that the option B is correct. For the manufacturing of cylinder block, cast iron and aluminum alloy are used. Now the next question is in aluminum cylinder blocks the cylinder liners are made of aluminum alloy in aluminum cylinder block Cylinder liners are made of the cylinder in aluminum cylinder block. The cylinder liners are made of cast iron. The next question is 22. The most commonly used supplementary restraint system component is. The most commonly used supplementary restraint system component is airbag. Airbag is the correct answer. Airbag is used as supplementary restraint system. It prevents ha- um heavy hazards during accidents. In automobile, GVW refers to. In automobile, GVW refers to gross vehicle weight. Gross vehicle weight is the correct answer. GVW refers to gross vehicle weight. The next question is, which of the following bulb in a car will have the least wattage? The least wattage bulb is ignition warning bulb. Ignition warning bulb is the correct answer. The frequency of flashing of light per minute in a direction side turn indicator is about. The frequency of flashing of light per minute in a direction indicator is about 90. The flash 90 times in a minute. The next question is, thinner is added to the paint in order to. Option A, make pigments and resin mix easily, make paint film hard. Next option, optimize its viscosity. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is optimize its viscosity. The thinner is used to optimize the paint's viscosity. So the correct option is C, optimize its viscosity. Now the next question is, the purpose of adding pigment to the paint is that it. Option A, optimizes the viscosity of paint, make paints film hard, gives colors and filling up of effect to the paint. Option D, none of the above. The purpose of adding pigment to the paint is to give color and filling up of effect to the paint. The main purpose of adding pigment is to give color and filling up of effect to the paint. Option C is correct. Now the next question is, the painting of automobile is done to prevent rust from growing on the body. The painting of automobile is done to. Question number 28 is that the painting of automobile is done to prevent. Option A, prevent rust from growing on the body. Option B, retain the characteristics of steel for long. Option C, improve its external appearance. Option D, all of these. All the painting of automobile is done to for all purpose as given in the option A, option B, and option C. The painting of automobile is done to prevent rust from growing on the body, retain the characteristic of steel for long, improve its external appearance. So option A, B, C are correct. So that all of these option is correct. All option is correct. All of these. Now the next question is, which of the following symptoms is caused as a result of brake disc run out? Option A, ineffectiveness of the brakes. Option B, judder during braking. Option C, rapid wearing of the brake pad. Option D, localized warning wearing of the brake pad. The option B is correct. Judder during braking. Next question 30. The brake warning light warns the driver of option A, power brake failure. Option B, failure of the primary or secondary circuit of the hydraulic system. Option C, air in the hydraulic system. Option D, water in the master cylinder. The brake warning light warns the driver of failure of the primary or secondary circuit of hydraulic system. So option B is correct. Now the next question is 31. The brake pedal during ABS operation, option A, is pushed upward forcefully. Option B, pedal stroke becomes longer. Option C, transmits slight kickback to the driver's foot. Option D, all of the above. The brake pedal during ABS operation transmits slight kickback to the driver's foot. Option C is correct. Now the next question is question number 32. The function of anti-lock braking system is the function of anti-lock braking system is to maintain directional control during braking by preventing the wheels from locking. So the option B is correct. The next question is question number 33. The operation of removing trapped air from the hydraulic braking system is known as. The operation of removing trapped air from the hydraulic braking system is known as bleeding. Bleeding is the operation of removing trapped air from the hydraulic braking system. The next question is question number 34. The parking brake generally acts on. Question number 34. The parking brake generally acts on option A front wheels, option B rear wheels, option C front and rear wheels, option D propeller shaft. The parking brake generally acts on rear wheel. Option B is correct. So all these 17 questions completed. Next time other question will be continue. Thank you.